This is a brief demonstration of using the library databases, and I'm going to focus on Academic Search Premier. First, go to the Ball State University Libraries webpage, and when you get there, scroll down, and when you see the Article and Databases link, click on that. And then when you get to the next page, you'll want to click on the tab that says General. Now, at some point, the system should ask you for your username and password, so go ahead and take care of that. Once you click on the General tab, you'll see the very first line in red is Academic Search Premier, and this is one of the most frequently used databases. There are a lot of different databases that the library subscribes to, but we're going to start with that one. Later on, you can go back and explore the other databases. Once you click on Academic Search Premier, you should see the page with the little boxes for your search terms. You can start entering search terms for your topic, or you can start by limiting your search below. There are some little boxes that can help you limit your search. But let's start with limiting by search terms. First, I'm going to see what comes up when I put the words real estate in as a search term. In the second blue bar, you can see how many pages of results I got, and on the left-hand column, you can see how many actual items popped up. Let's say I want to limit my search. It seems like I have a lot of results here. First, I'm going to add the word rhetoric to my search and see what happens. And when I do that, that gets me down to 44 items. But say I want to limit my search further. Say maybe I only want scholarly sources, and I only want sources that I can actually access online without having to actually go into the library and pick them up. So I go to the boxes in the left-hand column and I check those boxes. Once I do that, I'm down to 15. But say I only want results from the last 5 years or so. So I can go back down into that column and slide the arrow over to make the years closer to the current date. Once I do that, I only have 9 results. So I scroll down, and yes, the first source has a PDF of the article I can download. But before I do that, I want to learn more, so I click on the title. And now I get some more information about that article, including the key search terms that can be used to locate that article, which also gives me some ideas for search terms I can use to look for similar articles. Scroll down, and I have an abstract. Now, an abstract is a summary of the article, which is nice to have because then I can decide whether or not I'm really interested in downloading this article and using it. Say if I am interested in using it, I can scroll back up and I can take a look at some of the icons on the right-hand side there. I can email this information to myself, I can print it out, I can even bookmark it on social media sites. And in order to create my Works Cited page, I might want to know how I need to list it, so I can click on the cite icon and it will tell me how I can cite my paper in MLA. Now, there's more than one kind of citation system, so make sure that you scroll down to MLA, and then all you have to do is cut and paste into your Works Cited page. And that's it for using library databases.